Hello, I'm John Gadsby. I'm a farmer from Norfolk and Cambridgeshire in the United Kingdom, and I'm going to show you setting myself up with the IPM Decisions Platform. I have accessed the IPM Decisions Platform, and I'm now going to register my farm on the platform. So I move to the top of the screen and click on the register button, and then enter email address. And set myself up a password. You will notice the requirement for the password to be at least 12 characters and include numerical and non-number or letter characters, non-alphanumeric characters. Is there an agreement to terms? One can read through and scroll down to the bottom to accept the terms and conditions. Once this is done, you should then receive an email with your details, which I'm going to look for now. We will check the spam folder, and you'll see in my case it has come into my spam folder. There's an opportunity to confirm the email address, and I can now log in. Save the password if desired. It's now time to add your farm to the platform using the Add Farm button here. And then you can zoom in. So first of all, enter the farm. Our case is Low Marsh Meadow. And then zoom in to the farm location. I'm going to enter a main yard here, and then enter save. It's now collecting the weather data for the farm. We can then edit the farm if desired. So if you feel you put the farm in the wrong place, we can also button add to models available through the decision support. And if using control and click, we can select the crops we grow. In our case, we are growing spring wheat, oilseed rape, winter wheat, and sugar beet. And then pressing Show DSS shows all of the available decision support systems for these crops. And you can select which ones you wish to include. And for the sectorial humidity model, I will select no, and then select all of these to be recorded for your farm. Press save. You can now see farm name we've now added, as well as the farm location, the decision support models. Save again. Our farm is now here. We wish to add another farm, run a second farm alongside. In this case, I will add father's farm as well, located here. And again, you can edit this cropping by adding models, dollar, potatoes, wheat. Again, using the Control+Click, selection, models available here. And select all of these crops and models, and again save. And these will show you where these models are coming from. And once again save. So we now have set up our 2 farms, and then move. So this is showing the models we've set up for the 2 farms and the different crops. And then if you hover over them, tell you the model, what it's doing, and what the current risk is. And you'll see some of these are currently active, and this may be because the weather data has not yet been fully collected. Once you're within these, you can then look at the Septoria model, for example, which is showing the level of risk over the previous few days, and some detail on the guidance for yourself. So here we have Septoria, so we're looking at wheat variety and resistance and overall weather conditions, as well as this. Image. Again, you see this model in particular, we're now in September, so this model is showing the information for when it ran in June. If you have selected, as we have, multiple models on the same farm, we can select a couple of these and compare. Showing Septoria model to a leaf blotch model here, and we're looking at different levels within this threshold and risk status. As you see, there's a higher risk status, so you can run a selection of models all on the single page and investigate where your risks may be.